Hello friends, I am Saroj Khatri and this video is especially for kids who have much problem in English reading. I hope this video is so helpful to you. If you want to learn English reading with correct pronunciation, so first of all, you should learn phonics. What is the meaning of phonics? Root word of phonics is phone. And phone means sound, voice. Each letter represents its sound. So let's start learning sounds of English letters. A says a. A. I repeat. A says a. Spread your tongue and tip of your tongue touch to the teeth of lower jaw like this. A. B says b. B says b. C says s. C says s. C has two sounds. C says k. C says k. D says d. D says d. E says e. E says e. F says f. F says touch your teeth of upper jaw to the lower lip like this and blow air. G says g. G says g.
J.
H says h. H says h. Blow your air through your throat. H says h. I says e. I says e. J says j. J says j. K says k. K says k. L says l. L says l. M says m. M says m. N says n. N says n. O says a. O says a. P says p. P says p. Q says k. Q says k. R says r. R says r. S says s. S says s. T says t. T says t. U says a. U says a. U has two sounds as well. U says a and U says u. U says u. V says w. V says w. W says w. W says w. X says x. X says x. Y says yeah. Y says yeah. Z says z. Z says z. In next video, I will discuss the combination of two vowels. So if you like the video, so like it, share it and subscribe it. Keep watching. Bye-bye.